Not quite an easy one. Wasn't easy. We missed a lot of chances in the first half.
Okello, congratulations, my brother.
Thank you.
How do you explain the game?
Not quite an easy one. Wasn't easy. We missed a lot of chances in the first half. Coming back in the second half, we had to get one more chance and we utilized it. We thank God for the 3 points today. We keep going. One match, a game at a time. We keep taking a game at a time. Today we take one off. Next time probably we take another one off.
How do you explain the goal, Okello? Like it was difficult to open up the low block that they have created, like for the whole game. How easy or how difficult was it for you to score that kind of goal?
I would say from the first half we kind of got the same chances, but we didn't use it. We opened a lot of spaces. We created a lot of chances in the first half. Coming in the second half, they got the confidence and they were closing a lot. So for us, we had to shoot from outside or get one more opportunity in the box. And I thank the Almighty God that the opportunity came through me. And good thing we got the 3 points today. It's all about the 3 points. And for us, that's the best thing.
What did you guys speak? What did you guys talk in the dressing room before coming on the second half?
I would say it wasn't quite a good speech because we missed a lot. We had to score like 3 goals in the first half. And everyone was so moody in the dressing room. We all wanted to win because we need to win each and every game. And thank God we won today. It wasn't easy. Though everyone thought it was going to be easy. We take a game at a time.
Lastly, for the fans who coming out in numbers every day, what is your words to them?
Thank you for always coming to support us. We need you guys. We need you behind us. You're the 12th player. You coming and supporting us, give us the morale, the confidence to give the 3 points for you guys every day. And come again in the next game. We need you guys. We need you behind us to keep motivating us for this championship.
To who are you dedicating this one?
No, one at a time. For me, it's all about the 3 points. It doesn't matter when I'm the man of the match or anyone else. It matters. All matters most is for us taking the 3 points.
All the best.
Thank you so much.
Ametamatisha hivyo Alan Okello kwa kuzungumza kwamba haijalishi atakuwa man of the match, lakini kila sifa inakwenda kwa timu nzima ambayo imehakikisha kwamba kinapatikana kile ambacho kimepatikana. Mbali na hapo nilimuuliza kwamba ilikuwa ngumu kiasi gani ama rahisi kiasi gani kufunga goli ambalo lilionekana kwamba ni gumu kulipata tangu mwanzo wa mchezo. Ameniambia kwa kweli ilikuwa ngumu, lakini walihitaji kwamba kumiliki mpira, kuwa na composure kwa maana utulivu, lakini vile vile kufocus na kuhakikisha kwamba wanapiga mara nyingi golini ili waweze kupata goli. Mwisho nikamuuliza kwamba kwenye dressing room walizungumza nini kabla ya kurudi kipindi cha pili. Ananiambia hakukuwa na mazungumzo mazuri kabisa dressing room. Wengi wachezaji na walimu walionekana kwamba hawana mood nzuri kwa kuwa nafasi nyingi zilitengenezwa na hawakuweza kuzitumia, hivyo ilikuwa speech ngumu kidogo, na baadaye wakarudi wakafanyia kazi yale ambao waliona ni makosa. Baadaye tukaja kupata ushindi wa goli moja na alama 3.
Shadrack Boka Isaka amejaza cross ndani huku inajibiwa kwa kichwa. Sheikhani anapiga mpira na batiza. Unawekwa tena mpira ule Sheikhani. Max Zengeli. Sheikhani. Starboy. Okello! Bas! Ni Starboy Alan Okello. Baada ya kupinga namna hiyo, Alan Okello anaitanguliza Young Africans. Max Zengeli alimwekea Sheikhani akaupokea mpira. Alan Okello, what a turn, movement ya aina yake. Tazama alivyopokea mpira. Tazama alivyobadilisha kama kinyonga alivyobadilika. Frank Komba naombea Okello rudi tena, imetosha. Kasasiro Boy, mzoataka wa Kampala.